what's the future of cleaning, and what's the future of protecting the workforce and making everybody feel comfortable and confident in returning to the workspace? Well, the future is being able to evidence what you're doing and being able to show people and show staff to instill that confidence in them that actually us as an organisation have taken everything that's happened over the last 12 to 18 months very seriously. We've recognised that there's a significant level of anxiety potentially within people that are returning to the workspace, and there's a different expectation from people.
Do you think you could actually meet all those expectations without something like Touchpoint Shield?
I think meeting those expectations would be incredibly challenging, and I think it would cost an awful lot of money. And so with those two factors in mind, I would have to say no. I don't think it's possible, really.
Without Touchpoint Shield?
Without Touchpoint Shield, no. I mean, if you wanted to achieve the same levels, you would need to clean the surface physically every 5 minutes. And it's not achievable. You know, if you've got a small shop, small retail outlet, and a minimal number of touch points, then yeah, potentially it's not the hardest challenge in the world to walk around and clean a surface. If you've got anything above that, then I think you'd struggle to maintain the standards that you're able to achieve with Touchpoint Shield. In fact, you wouldn't be able to achieve those standards because you haven't got the ongoing 24/7 active protection, and that's the beauty of Touchpoint Shield, is without you physically doing anything, it is working in the background constantly.